question to the faculty in London School of Economics. Such a major crisis has come and hit the British economy and the whole world. And you at London School of Economics are the best minds that we support from government exchequer. How come you couldn't predict it? Why such bright mind could not even tell that such a major crisis is coming? They were all silent. The dean of the faculty, Garicano, he tells the Queen, "Ma'am, we are quoting each other. He wrote something, we believed and we quoted him, and he quoted her, and that's how we thought we are all correct." And nobody really questioned the basic assumptions of the model on the basis of which the world economy is functioning. Then Queen asked Garicano, the dean of the faculty, "Didn't you check?" Obviously, he didn't say that, but he said it's not the job of the dean to have some kind of a. They come to me. He said that well, everyone was quoting each other, and the dean's job is not to overview research. Now, this is a question I would like to raise before you. That what is the job of the academic leader? Think about our university system in India. If the dean starts looking at the research personally and say, "Oh, this is not based on valid assumption, your database is not correct," it would create serious political issues. You know, the dean is interfering in research. We value academic freedom of researchers. And should there be some kind of an institutional mechanism, some workshop program where faculty present their results and there are also involvement of the others, so that you don't start quoting each other and think we are right. And that is an issue which I think is important, seriously. What are the challenges for an academic leader? What do you think? I mean, I would like you to react to that. First is governance. If you are head of an institution, research institution, academic training institution, should run the institution properly. Follow the rules, maintain discipline. So I just talking to